This lecture is part of the Lazy Money system. The title of this lecture is Optimizing a Campaign and Finding Relevant Keywords to Expand. So the first step is that you want to make your campaign profitable. So you create an ad using the exact keyword and then you let it run and you make a conversion. So once that happened and you spend less money on advertising than you made in commissions, then your campaign is profitable and then you can optimize the campaign. Now you go ahead and create another ad and you put a slight variation into that ad. So you use a slightly different headline or a slightly different text, and then you let both ads run and see which ad performs better. And then you continue that way to improve your campaign by running against the more successful ad. So all this is using one keyword only. So you found out that the product name works in your ad and you have created several ads and you are happy with your conversions. Now you can go into trying additional keywords. So the next step is to use the product name and some variations of the product name. So let's say the product name is widgets, then you use the keyword buy widgets or test widgets or review widgets. So something that expresses the name of the product and some intention to buy or get that product or item. These keywords, it depends on what it is. So a software, somebody wants to use a software. A dress, for example, somebody wants to try or to wear. A car, somebody wants to drive or own. So it depends on the product, what type of other keyword you add to the product name, so that makes it an expression that shows high interest in the product. And then you create new ads either for each new keyword or for each group of keywords. So you could, for example, create an ad group that is around buying widgets, buy widgets now, buy widgets today, buy widgets for your birthday, whatever the case may be. And you group these keywords so that the ad is somewhat similar and makes sense. Actually, the best would be if you create one ad for each keyword so that you can laser target each keyword with the ad. Another thing that you can do is you can use the keyword insertion, the variable, and then you insert the keyword into your ad copy. This is how it looks like. So it's curly brackets around keyword, and that replaces them. If you use this variable inside your ad copy or your headline, it replaces the actual searched term. The next step would be to build an actual landing page. But this is very advanced, so you need to either create a landing page yourself or you need to order a service that does this for you. So if you go to Google, you can research services that enable you to create landing pages easily. One of these services is, for example, unbounce.com. Another one is leadpages.net. So you can look through these. They are not exactly cheap. They cost between $50 and $200 per month. They make it very easy to create landing pages. So another option is to get a hosting account and get some hosting and then build a landing page yourself. You can either use WordPress and then WordPress plugins, or you can create them using HTML and basically code them by hand. There's lots of different options, and you probably need to dig deeper into HTML or into WordPress, or use a service like, for example, leadpages.net. But it would be going far beyond what this course is about.